So I was born into farming. I had the fortune of growing up in a farm in South Devon, and from there I decided I'd take a degree path into a further career.
Yeah.
So I went to the Royal Agricultural University, studied agriculture, and then went on to the masters, at the University of Sheffield. And from there I went into agricultural consulting. So starting to think about facts then, because I'm out on farm, we're talking about crop nutrition, and I started facts when I moved to KWS, because I'm still out on farm all the time, talking about crops, talking about the best way to manage them and get the most out of them, and that's always underpinned by good crop nutrition. So being able to offer that advice. So that's why I took the facts exam and took that step forward with my career.
And when you did your facts, how did you find it, the actual course?
I found the course incredibly well managed and run, and it set me up beautifully to go into the exam. It gave me a great background for policy that I needed to be aware of to effectively advise on crop nutrition, as well as what should be applied at the right time for different crops. So it broadened my knowledge from crops I'm used to, like wheat and oilseed rape and maize, to things like barley. So it was really, really good to giving me that little bit more knowledge in certain areas.
Who did you train with?
So I trained with the Agronomy training company Ltd. It was Simon Goodyear.
Yeah.
And Simon's fantastic.
We hear it everywhere. He does a fantastic job out there.
Oh, he is fantastic. He is absolutely fantastic.
Thank you, Tom. It's been an honour to have you as part of a case study on the BASIS prospectus, showing your knowledge and what your experience was doing the BASIS Facts course with us. Thank you so much.
Pleasure being here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.